H2SO4 cannot be used to prepare HBr from NaBr as it. Here, in case of bromides and iodides, the halogen acid first liberated means NaBr plus H2SO4 gives rise to NaHSO4 plus HBr. The halogen acid, for example here HBr, the halogen acid first liberated, being a reducing agent, reduces H2SO4 to SO2. H2SO4 to SO2. While it itself oxidized to corresponding free halogen. This HBr itself oxidized to corresponding halogen, that is Br2. So if we balance the equation, this should be multiplied with 2. So we'll get the overall equation here. 2 moles of NaBr plus 3 moles of H2SO4 gives rise to 2 NaHSO4 plus SO2 plus Br2 plus 2H2O. So because of this reason, H2SO4 cannot be used to prepare HBr from NaBr as it oxidizes HBr. So the answer is option B.